Hello friends, welcome to Selection Eyes. Today we are going to know about two important fin technology that has been recently launched by the NPCI, that is called Hello UPI and Bharat Bill Payment Connect. So as we understand, India has shown its leadership when it's come to fintech, that is financial technology. These two initiatives will actually play a very important role. Let's understand some of the important features of these two initiatives. Initiative called UPI, Hello UPI. Bharat Bill Pay Connects actually will focuses more on digital transaction, and it has already come with a new feature that will boost the digital transaction. So it will facilitate seamless digital transaction through natural language conversations. So now this is the new added features to it. So let's understand some of the other feature of these two initiatives. हेलो यूपीआई के थ्रू हम डिजिटल पेमेंट्स को बहुत सीमलेस वे में और कई तरीकों से पे कर सकते हैं, जैसे इंटरैक्टिव कन्वर्सेशन विद द स्मार्टफोन्स, वेदर इट इन्वॉल्व्स splitting a restaurant bill, sending money to a friends, settling the utility bill, other important payment stuff. So these actually will bring a age when it's come to digital transaction for the customers and obviously for the companies as well. So let's understand कुछ इसके other features. एक बहुत important feature है इस Hello UPI and Bharat Bill Pay Connect का, that is called multilingual accessibility. So it's mean that NPCI Hello UPI actually support voice enabled UPI payments in both Hindi and English language. So obviously it will provide a ease when it's come to paying the bills of the customers. Now it has also planned to actually expand this language into other regional languages. So this will also give boost to India's regional languages, and it is also an inclusive approach that ensure broader spectrum of users that can enjoy the benefit of the conversational payment system. Obviously indication of India's rising when it's come to the technology sectors and finance technology की हम बात करें तो India has a great status in the world, and this such innovation actually will boost India's digital economy as well. So कुछ और इसके important पहलू हैं, let's understand those important aspects. So this initiative is a collaborative efforts, and here the NPCI, that is a body that work when it's come to fine technology, especially payment scheme like UPI, Hello UPI, Bharat Bill Pay Connect. So these all things have been done by this National Payment Corporation of India. So this institution has actually collaborated with the IIT Madras, that together co-developed this new Hello UPI and Bharat Bill Pay Connect, and it has also artificial intelligence for Bharat. So this also reflect India's indigenous technological advancement. आइए कुछ यूनिक पॉइंट्स के बारे में समझते हैं तो भारत बिल पे कनेक्ट से रिलेटेड है. तो this initiative aimed at effortless bill payments through conversations, as we have already understood that. So this actually payment connect enable users to pay their bills through natural conversations with the popular voice assistants like Alexa, via features phones, smartphones, merchant sounds boxes. So this initiative aims to actually cater to users across various tech proficiency levels, ensuring that digital bill payments are accessible to all. So ये कुछ important initiative है जो हमारी digital transaction payment method को boost करेगा, और साथ ही it will actually strengthen India's digital economy. So these were all about UPI and Bharat Bill Payment Connect. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Selection Eyes, and अपनी free counseling को book करने के लिए आप हमसे WhatsApp के through जुड़ सकते हैं 9625350287.